Hello everybody, today I'm at Little India. Minasan konnichiwa. Is it really dangerous at night to walk here, man? So let's check it out. This is Side Alwi Road. And there's a Mustafa here. It's so far still okay lah. But I think the dark areas are the one in the alleys. This one's still okay, but that's how I saw very like dark alleys, So the people here generally still okay, but they don't look really friendly lah. Alley here look quite dangerous, man. That's Car Road. Oh, now like the Indian shops right here. Oh, they sell deluxe paint as well. This is rice, right? Wow. Okay, I'm a bit lost now where I'm heading, man. I'm just randomly walking along here. Little India, admiring the shops and scenery and the shop houses. There's no massage shop here. There are restaurant and tailors, as well as hardware shops. I don't see, man. I don't see any like massage shop here. It's quite funny. Wow, look at this Inbang Sing Hardware. Still open now. Tong Thai Restaurant, Thai Bistro. Oh, these are the prices. $15 for mango salad. That's an insane price, right? In Bangkok, you get a salad for less than $2, So you can eat 7 mango salad at Bangkok with the same amount of money here, spent here. Saw this, man. Golden Roy sourdough pizza. Wow, so many boxes of pizza. Wow, this restaurant for you, Yuan vegetarian restaurant in the middle of Little India, and these are their dishes. Meat $8, hor fun $8. Okay lah, it's like $2 or $3 more expensive than like neighborhood kopitiam, but it's here in Little India, It's the city area also. And what's this? Learn construction. Hey, the vending machine look attractive. Mojo. Ice lemon tea and that mango. I like the logo, man. That one is actually a barber shop. The police patrol come here, I think, every day to make sure peace and order. These are the Indian food, man. Coconut also. And some fruits. Wow. Singapore has a really rich cultural diversity. We have Little India right here, and then we have Chinatown, the China of Singapore. Then we have like Kampong Glam, the Malaysia of Singapore, and then even the Joo Chiat, there's a Vietnam of Singapore, man. And what's this, man? These are coin tents. Wow, rainbow mango. 1 kilo, $4.50. Lots of fruits. Alright, I found some nice or maybe strange looking houses here. I thought it's a building, but people actually stay here at Rowell Road. You look at the fan here. You step in and there's a house, but I think there's a level 2. So quite interesting. This is a house, people are decorating their stuff inside. It's a proper home. There's a bookshelf and books there. Ironically, 642 HDB on the left side. This one, the building here, it looks like the Fire Defense Heritage Center. Oh look, there's a staircase to level 2. But unfortunately, there are no lift for this kind of like 2 levels.